What's something people don't know about hiccups? One man couldn't stop hiccuping for over half a century. Let's dive into this jaw-dropping true story. Meet Charles Osborne, the unlucky dude who started hiccuping way back in 1922 and didn't stop until 1983. That's 68 years of non-stop hiccups. He hiccuped about 20 times a minute, which adds up to over 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. And get this, he still managed to get married, have kids, and live a pretty normal life, all while hiccuping like a human metronome. Doctors tried everything from sneezing to scaring him. No luck. So next time you get the hiccups and start complaining, just remember Charles. 60 years is a long time to hold your breath. Bet you're glad your hiccups only last a few minutes.